This is a Raya box number 8. It was designed and made by Yavuz Demirhan from Turkey. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 7 parts inside the frame. If you like the Raya box number 8 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button if you would like to access more videos from Puzzle Master. The Raya box number 8 is a part of Raya box puzzle series where there are 8 puzzles, and the box number 8 is probably one of the most difficult. This puzzle has 7 parts. Most of the other puzzles from the Raya box series have 6 parts, and this puzzle box has a restriction, as well as other Raya box puzzles have restrictions, but all of them are different with different solutions. So the Raya box number 8 has this acrylic piece on top that covers a small portion of the opening, but it is enough to make this puzzle quite difficult to solve. And as you can see, this puzzle has 7 parts. The big L-shaped piece, there are 3 small L-shaped parts, a square, there is this eye piece, and then there is one more Soma looking piece, and you have to fit all of them inside the frame. If you like the Raya box number 8 and you want to buy it and try to solve it by yourself, go to puzzlemaster.ca.